Next important is there is no world patent. Sometimes you might have heard people say we have applied for a world patent. So please remember there is no concept as a world patent, and you know reason. We just check this in the definition why there is no world patent, because patent is territorial right. Why territorial? Granting authority of the patent is a sovereign of the state. Hence there is no world patent. Then sometimes you hear someone says we have filed international patent application. So then what is it? It is a PCT application, that is a Patent Cooperation Treaty. PCT stands for Patent Cooperation Treaty. So what is it? This PCT is, we have dedicated one module on this PCT in week 5. Here it is enough to know that PCT is one of the system developed at international level, and it is easy system to file the patent if anyone is thinking about filing a patent in more than one country. Basically, PCT provides some advantages. If someone wants to file patent in more than one country, this PCT system is very helpful.